Tropical Storm Grace makes landfall in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. With immediate effect yesterday, the tropical storm watch for Jamaica was upgraded to a tropical storm warning. This meant that tropical storm conditions, including possible sustained winds of 63 to 118 kilometers per hour, were expected to affect Jamaica within the next 36 hours or less. In the latest bulletin issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, it states that Tropical Storm Grace has begun to move away from Jamaica. However, the tropical storm warning remains in effect as tropical storm conditions, including possible sustained winds of 34 to 63 kilometers per hour or 63 to 118 kilometers per hour, are still expected to affect Jamaica. On the forecast track, the center of Grace will move away from Jamaica this evening and then move near or over the Cayman Islands late tonight and early Wednesday morning. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this developing story. Here are some images that were captured from different parts of the island.
Somebody that try to. What's your about? Every video, mama. She don't know. And that's why she fought good. Oh God. She fought good. Who then you see about? And then job on that she knows the gully there, so she don't know. Well, I can't lift up above the gully now. Oh God. Because she knows that's why she don't know. But she can move the car. If you part time where she there, where she go back from? She there. Stop saying that. She don't know. She has to cry. Make she cry. She don't know.
It's gonna be okay, it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Just come on, let's stay on the umbrella, let's stay on the umbrella. Try and get out the car here from out of the thing, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see him here, man, see him here. See him here, man, see him here. See him here, man. Oh, shit. Bumper, come on. It needs some help from the front. The front needs to lift up. Yeah, man.
This is my washroom, guys. The fence has been away.
Yeah, so it's a town, that's what it's a bull there. car there in the water. I'll try to walk back my camera. Yeah, I saw it stay out there. This is a 9-mile bull bay. The road impossible. Not a go on for what a go on. Better believe it. And a boy pick the thing out here. Yeah, one son got 7 can get bully, no nothing man. Rope, must you must go on.
I never see this yet. This is water on the river. This is water on bridge. Hey, big body up. Brother, put your son. This is water on bridge, brother. Brother, you ever see so much water from my head? This is water on bridge. How far below that? I never see this yet. This never happened yet. Never yet, brother. Never yet. Oh, it's a spear. Oh, there's a spear.
Nobody can cross it.
And you can't cross. Yes, sir. Ja, the whole bush is badness, huh? Badness, wicked. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Right, that's a badness there.
Yeah, smaller body.
Yeah. Yeah. Man's at work. We not have to say nothing.
The Met Service of Jamaica will continue to monitor the progress of this system, and all interests must pay special attention for further release. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.